Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Notion databases with API and integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Notion databases using the API and integrations, start by setting up your Notion integration. Navigate to the Notion Developers portal and log in to your account. Create a new integration by clicking on New Integration. Fill in the required fields, such as the integration name and associated workspace. Once created, copy the integration token as you will need it later. Next, open the Notion page with the database you want to update. Share the database with your newly created integration by clicking on the Share button. Search for your integration and grant it access. Now that your integration is set up, move on to the coding environment. Choose a programming language, such as Python or JavaScript, to interact with the Notion API. Install the required dependencies, such as requests for Python or Axios for JavaScript. Create a new file for your script. Start by importing the necessary libraries. Set your Notion API endpoint, which is typically https://api.notion.com/v1/pages. Define the headers for your request, including the authorization token, version, and content type. Next, identify the database ID you want to update. You can find the database ID in the URL of your Notion page. Create the data object that contains the properties you want to update. Make sure to structure the object to match the Notion database schema. Use the HTTP method patch to send your update request. Call the Notion API endpoint with your defined headers and data object. Check the response status to ensure your update was successful. Handle any potential errors in your request with appropriate try-catch blocks. Once everything is set, run your script. Monitor the output for any success or error messages. If the process completes without issues, your Notion database should now reflect the updates. For more complex updates, consider integrating a webhook to automate the process. Test your integration thoroughly to ensure reliability. Keep your integration token secure to protect your data. Update your script as needed for any changes to the Notion API or your database structure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.